Howdy. This is Fuego Volcano in Guatemala, I think. And these are some screenshots I made some time ago. And obviously, we are looking at this phenomena, which is, in this case, right beside the lava fountain. And this is just, obviously you can see these are just screenshots. And they're all enhanced in order to make things a little bit more or better visible. I think this is a plasma phenomena. There is quite some energy exchange going on. And it has some kind of geometry to it. You can disagree, of course, that's your right. I'm not claiming knowing all of that. And there has been also some claims, yeah, that's just, it's in the camera, you know, a lens flare or something like this. But I think it looks rather interesting. And I don't think this is any lens flare. Today I was watching Fuego again, the live stream, and let's have a look at it. And I think this is still ongoing, this live stream, so you can just jump in. And that's the actual, yeah, well, nice whistle. That's the actual live stream, just scrolled back a bit. Now let's pause here. And I noticed that the other plasma phenomena I just showed you happened somewhere here. But now, it seems to be down here. Let's go back a bit. There was a little flash there. And in one point it has this kind of somewhat hourglass shape. Or at least half of it. That's original speed. That's the live stream. So let me search you another one. Got to scroll a bit around. Let's see if there have been several of these. They always happened during an actual eruption. The thing is, I just started to watch Fuego because when I wake up in the morning it's dark at night where Fuego is situated, so it's very easy somehow to get a first glimpse on if there's anything going on. And I have been watching many eruptions, like similar kinds of, and there hasn't been any plasma or whatsoever lens flares it just erupted, lava poured out of the mountain, it shot off, and that was it. There wasn't anything special to it. You can see already here it starts to glow. And that's the original footage, like I said, so I don't know. I didn't make any screenshots yet or whatsoever. Yeah, that's a rather big eruption. Now let's go a bit closer in and maybe we take a screenshot and try to enhance it a bit as it gets interesting. Now let's just take this one. Then we have to adjust a little bit the contrast, maybe play around with the light. And also remember to use this new feature, which is sharpness. And this is what we got from this one screenshot. So let's go back to the video. Maybe there's, no, not maybe, there are many, like there have been, I don't know, 4 or 5 of these events in this video I just watched today. Yeah, we have to maybe just go on a little bit because there's quite some action going on, you know. Now we went back 20 seconds and you can see this brighter area where it starts. And it has a different shape than the other ones, but it has also many similar features like streamers rising upwards. And then obviously you can see as the lava pours over it. And I think it's also interesting to notice that it's now on a different place. Whatever it means. Now here is an eruption as well. Now let's see if there's anything. If it would be a lens flare, this should happen every single time. And it basically should also happen at the exact same place, because I don't think that they are moving the camera around. Yeah, there's something again at the same spot. But it looks different. They emerge, and at some point they are going upwards. And it also seems that they accelerate as they go upwards. Now let's go to the next one. Is there any next one? Yeah, that's a quite time-consuming hobby. And yeah, maybe for some this is very boring. This was probably a bug. See that? Now actually, as I saw that, I just remembered that there has been some other thing. Now let's see if we can catch that. It's rather quick. No, this doesn't seem to be a bug. What's that? Because I noticed there was another thing which is like in a way similar to this, but not at all. And they even cut off the stream for a brief. No, it's again at the same spot. So now I catched it at the very beginning. And it seems it has a tail. It has a tail of some sort. Now we have to be really quick. I wasn't quick enough. And here it is. Whatever that is, maybe I should take a screenshot just for the science. Yeah, we are watching at this. Yeah, that's really quick. Yeah, that's something interesting. I haven't noticed this earlier. Now let's try once again. We need the whole screen. So now let's go just with this one. I didn't have the patience to make now more. But let's see if there's anything. Yeah, if that's a rather strange looking bug, but maybe they have this kind of bugs there. Don't know. Bugs are in many shapes and forms. Maybe I dive deeper into that, trying to get some better captures of this, whatever that is. But let me show you still this other thing I noticed earlier. So here we go. Up here you can see this light. Yeah, this should be. Now let's watch that for a second. It is moving. You can see how it's moving. It's very slow, but it's moving. Here on the bottom you can see it, how it's moving. See it? And what we are watching in the background is 2209. And 7 minutes later, it's already here. And I don't think that's an airplane, because usually airplanes, they just have those little lights which are blinking if anything. And this is rather bright because it stands really out into the, compared to the background. And it's moving. Look at the little window down here. It's moving. And as it goes down at some point, let's go still back. It should play. You have to press play, otherwise it doesn't really work. Or are we now on pause? Now it should run. And they cut off the stream. No picture for some time. And then it comes back. And it's still there. I think whatever airplane will have probably passed this region already. And this doesn't seem to me like an airplane. And there are also no other stars visible. And it shouldn't be the moon, because the moon doesn't move like that. It should... no, I don't know. Maybe it's the moon. No, it can't be. It shouldn't move that quick. No way in a few minutes. There's something rather quickly moving. Even though it doesn't seem like it in first. If you just watch at the picture, you probably wouldn't. Yeah, I think you would notice it. But that's very interesting. And it seems to just fade away at one point. This is basically the thing I try to show. Let's hope. No, it already went. No, it just disappears. Did just some asteroids skim our atmosphere and went away again? I don't know. But I think I leave it here Fuego is almost always very interesting. Now we are in. Now let's. Yeah, it doesn't really help. But there's something moving. You can see it here in the smaller picture. Yes, I stop here now. Thanks. Bye.